And we're looking to start trading here. Equity opens in 3 minutes. We're just going to try to trade the NASDAQ. Looks like we're pretty oversold on the 15-minute. Hourly also looks oversold. Could continue down to, what would that be? 300. Another 50 points. Could make that drop. Let's see if there's any reports today. There's housing numbers and building permits right at the open. So that's in 2 minutes. Consensus is that it's lower than prior, marginally. Both figures. So recently the numbers have been better than expected. For housing stuff, it'll be interesting to see what happens. Another minute until the open, until we have that news out. I think I'm going to play this to the upside. Seems to be bouncing off 48s, 45s, which is good. So let's see what happens here. Another minute. Kind of a tight range. I really kind of want to get long over 50s. In from 56. 1 minute left until this until the equity opens. Not what we want to see. I'll keep it somewhat wide. Hold it unless we get under 45, which is 200 bucks. $200 loss. So it gets down here. Roughly. A little over. Excuse me. Alright, we got like 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. Thinking is we'll either come down to 300 and bounce, or we're going to start grinding up from here. Okay, opened. Got us knocked out there. So it seems like we're going down. Couple small trades there. Did we stay over 40? It looks like it, doesn't it? Let's try it. From 50, we'll get into, see if we can get up to 65. Get out of one. Big loss here. Let that run. Should have had a stop set for 10 points. Maximum. So how many trades is that already? It's already 5 trades. We're in the whole 408. So my idea is still that we're going to bounce off of the 500 level. Mondays are definitely my hardest day to trade. 25s. Got up to 33s there. How are those numbers? Another small stab down would be nice. It's a little oversold already though, isn't it? Let's see if we can get 10 points off of this. That's 10 points. Get out for a quick little 10 points. Oh, weird. Oh, we were at 400, right? So 170. Not even 10 points. Very close, though. So we're still down to about 200. Bounced off 10, which it's bounced off before. Yeah, this looks like a good spot for a bounce. 20 seconds until this closes. See what these equity numbers are. How are the housing start numbers? Let's see. Oh, that's tomorrow. Housing numbers are tomorrow. Today there's only one NAHB Housing Market Index report in 27 minutes with a medium trading impact. So that was 30s. This looks like divergence to me. I might get long here if we don't even get under 08s. Okay, long 12s. Stop will be 5s. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Not looking too good. Yeah. A lot of trades today. Alright, here's zeros. Oh. Alright then. I should be jumping in short instead of trying to call this bottom. 85s is my last place to get long. Let's see if it's respected. 87s. Got up to exactly 99. Man, my entry's ass. Ugh. Right at 96s. This is a really bad entry. Terrible entry. Just terrible entry. Had $300 there at one point on the open position, 350 or something. Oh, jeez. Getting my ass handed to me today. I might have to stop after this trade. Yikes. Down 640. Yeah, 5 minutes in and already over like 10 or 12 trades. Just, yeah, 11 trades. Not doing too hot today. I think I'm going to stop. Still want to be long in this over 85s. Let's see what happens at 85s though. 85.25. $90 something. Got into another one there. Just assuming this is a pullback. Okay. We should be good to hold these two for quite a bit. 85s will usually bounce to 25s at least. All right. Oh, looks good. I mean, we got to get at least 3 points. Or, I'm sorry, at least 10 points out of this. Oops. Oh, come on. Push it up there. There you go. There's only 160? What? How's that only 160? Wasn't even 10 points. And that was 180. So, total of about 300 something. About half the day. It's not bad. Let's hold this over O's. Yep, should have held that one too. Getting out of these so early. 235. Here we go. Here's 25s. Nice. 29s, 30s. Okay, that was good. We positive on the day? We are. 285. That was a good trade. 85 bounce. Gotta love it. Wouldn't be surprised if it gets up to 50s. Let's try another little one. Oh, come on. All right, we'll hold this one under 23 or over 23. All right, I think we're done. 202. Yeah, I'm good with 202. Let's quickly review though. I would have been stopped out anyway right there if I had a longer stop, wider stop. So in review, we did do a little bit better as far as how long we traded for, but that was 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes from the open, the equity open. Just make sure I have everything canceled here. I do. Okay, so this was our first trade right off the open, like immediately. Actually got in a few minutes before the open, and I was long, assuming that the numbers would come out here. Obviously wrong. No numbers came out, so I continued the downtrend. I had a couple of small short winners, and then I remember I got caught in this move down, so I didn't have a stop here. That was the problem with this trade. This trade was a chase trade. Um, this was a trying to catch the bottom, trying to call the bottom, trying to call the bottom 2 or 3 times in a row there, and then decided to go long, 98s, and I held it over 85s, but 85 would have been the great entry. Instead, I got in for one of those contracts at 90, held it for about 10 points, got in for another one for about 10 points, held another one for about 20 points, so made back my entire day. I was down negative 600 there for a minute. So that's it. I'm gonna call it. I don't like I don't like having drawdowns that deep. So if I turned it green after all that, I'm happy with that. I really don't want to push it. It's kind of choppy right now anyway. My Yeah, I mean, 25 is a great spot to bounce down from for sure. It's just really hard to tell right now. I mean, it's like painting a bull flag, but at the same time painting a rejection. Like this is just a cat bounce. and further down we go. But yeah, I'm feeling kind of stiff this morning, so I'm gonna do some yoga and chill out and do some other work. But yeah, I changed the mic up, so hopefully I'm easier to hear. And I will start reviewing these trades in more detail on a platform starting tomorrow. So that'll be exciting. But yeah, so this is like I think another green day. So I'm up I think over a K over the last week or so, which is pretty good. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I don't even want to wait for that report in 20 minutes. I'll just hang on to the 200 bucks and leave it at that. Because to me, this isn't very volatile. This isn't very trendy, in my opinion. Okay, I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't blow up your accounts. Stay safe. Make money. Love your